I have some paper and I have a plan. I'm gonna fold it up and then you'll understand. I'm very busy and I could be all smiles if I could make a paper airplane that could fly 100 miles. Fly 100 miles. I can't wait to try it. I can't wait to fly it. This is my paper airplane. All through the house it's gliding, with paper people riding on my paper airplane. I got finished and you wouldn't believe it. Gave it a throw and I couldn't retrieve it. It flew right out my window. It was taken up by the breeze. I saw the pilot, he was waving at me. My airplane flew up into the sky. Flew up in the sky. I can't wait to try it. I can't wait to fly it. This is my paper airplane. All through the house it's gliding, with paper people riding on my paper airplane.